Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my LeetCode playlist. And now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 217, which contains duplicate. So basically in this problem we have given an array nums and we have to return true if the value of array appears at least twice in the array and return false if the every element is distinct. Okay, so this is also very simple and easy level problem. So let's solve this problem. First of all, we create another map. Another map. Hmm? Sorry, another set because we have to check every unique element and store every unique element. Name it with st. After that, we use for loop transverse with nums. Inside this for loop, we use if condition st of count of nums st dot count num, then return true. This if condition checks if the duplicate element is present in the array or not. Else st dot insert num. At the end, we will return false. Let's check this code. You can see here all the test cases are passed successfully. Thank you.